Although academic study provides us with the foundation for learning, our most valuable skill sets are acquired formally or informally through workplace learning. Now, as academic curriculums struggle to keep up with the pace of technological advance, workplace learning will be even more important in the future. So how can we make best use of that process? Research shows that adults learn best using practical projects. The Workplace Learning Program Illustrated combines cross-functional team-based projects which are carried out alongside normal duties. These here cover asset care, update, simplification, and problem prevention. With management and support workplace learning streams covering things like coaching and project management. This combination means that workplace learning can become part of the routine management process. When workplace learning is applied to work process development to improve things like asset reliability or workforce flexibility, these projects provide an ideal cross-functional learning environment targeting measurable gains. That provides a measure of return on investment in training. Projects can also be designed to provide practical experience of leadership modeling to facilitate workforce engagement and provide experience of leadership transitions leading to high-performance team development. Organizations that do this well start by defining their workplace learning agenda targets using current or anticipated capability gaps. Their projects begin with training for improvement leaders around target themes such as taming technology, operational improvement, or developing future capabilities. In those organizations, the impact of workforce learning on cultural change and workforce engagement is ranked highly, so typically progress also measures tracking of leadership and engagement outcomes. For those reasons, each DAK Academy Open Training course includes activities to develop workplace learning roadmaps as an aid to the transfer of lessons learned back at the workplace. One-day in-house workplace learning modules can also be added to back up internal improvement leader programs and provide coaching to support consolidation, confirmation, and transfer of lessons learned. If you would like more information, please use the contact details below to get in touch. Thank you.